Once again, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are continuing exercise 7.2, question number 8. If A and B are 2 points respectively, they are given. Find the coordinates of P such that AP equal to 3 by 7 of AB and P lies on the line segment AB. Okay, so that means we have a line segment AB, okay, and it is given that P is on the line segment AB. Here is the point P lies. Okay, and the coordinates of A, that is minus 2, minus 2. Here it is coordinates of B is 2, minus 4. Okay, we should get the coordinates, find the coordinates of P. Okay, see, after seeing the question, it is clear the section formula because P is not the midpoint. Okay, so in order to get the point, the P's coordinates, we have to apply the midpoint formula. But the ratio is not given. But instead of ratio, we have a clue, that is this AP equal to 3 by 7 of AB. That means out of the 7 equal parts AB, 3 part is for AP. That means if this is AP and this is 3 parts, so the remaining parts, that is PB, will be 4. Then only the sum of the ratio, that is parts, that is AP plus PB equal to 7. Okay, that means this AP is to PB, you can write 3 is to 4 because it is given that AP equal to 3 by 7 of AB. So, the total equal parts in AB is divided into 7, okay, and from A to P, that is 3 equal parts. So, 3 is to 4 is the ratio of AP is to PB. So, now it is very simple. You can apply the section formula in order to get the coordinates of P. Okay, so by section formula, what is the formula, children? That is in order to get that P of x comma y, this is the required point. X is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. Okay, and for that m we have taken m is to n as 3 is to 4. That is AP is to PB. Okay, so m equal to 3 and n is equal to 4. So 3 into x2. x2 is 2 plus n, that is 4 into x1 minus 2 divided by m plus n, 3 plus 4, that is 7. Okay, so by simplification, 3 2s are 6 minus 8, 4 2 minus 2 is negative 8 divided by 7, or you will be getting 6 minus 8 is minus 2 by 7. This is x coordinate of P. And to get its y coordinate, okay, by section formula, y is equal to my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. It is clear? So that formula we are just applying and substituting the values. M is 3 and y2 is minus 4 plus n is 4 into y1 minus 2 divided by 7 m plus n. We have seen already. So minus 12, 4 3s are 12 and minus carries, plus 4 into minus 2 minus 8 divided by 7, or minus 12 minus 8 minus 20 by 7. So we got now the coordinates of P, that is x comma y. P of x comma y, that is equal to P of minus 2 by 7, minus 2 by 7 and minus 20 by 7 by section formula. Now the 9th question. Find the coordinates of the points which divide the line segment A of 2 minus 2 and B of 2 8 into 4 equal parts. It's very simple question, children. Here we have a line segment, okay, AB, okay, and this AB get divided into 4 equal parts. Okay, so this is the way, that is here we have 4 equal parts, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so I am marking these points as C, D and E. Since AB is divided into 4 equal parts, surely you can say this D is the midpoint. Okay, from this point D, either side of this D get divided into two equal parts. So AC and CD, here DE and EB. Okay, so we should get the coordinates of D, C and E. Okay, so children, here you can surely you can use section formula, but more than that, can you apply the midpoint formula? Because I already told this AB is divided into four equal parts, and since D is the midpoint of AB, in order to get the coordinates of D, let it be x comma y, you can apply midpoint formula. Okay, so let D of x comma y is the first point we should get using the midpoint formula. Okay, for that we can take A as that is given as minus 2, 2 and B is given as 2, 8. So D is x comma y. So by midpoint formula, x is equal to the x coordinate of the point D equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. Okay, so x1 minus 2 plus 2 divided by 2. Okay, minus 2 plus 2, 0 by 2, that is 0. Okay, so in order to get y, the y coordinate of the midpoint D of line segment AB, that is y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, y1 is 2 plus y2 is 8 by 2, that is 2 plus 8 is 10 by 2 and that is 5. Okay, so the coordinates of D of x comma y is 2, 0 and 5. So our next aim is to get the coordinates of C and E. Okay, and for that, to get the coordinates of C, since this AB get divided into four equal parts and D is the midpoint, because on either side of the D you can see two parts. Okay, that AB, that is AC and CD, and here DE and EB. The same way, can you take C is the midpoint of AD, because one equal part, and the CD. That means from this figure you can definitely write, children, AC equal to CD equal to DE equal to EB. That is the meaning of AB is divided into four equal parts. Okay, so since AC equal to CD, that means C is the midpoint of AD. So again, by midpoint formula, you can easily calculate the coordinates of C. That is, we are taking C of x comma y. So by midpoint formula, x is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. Okay, that is x1. x1 is minus 2. Here we are taking AD the midpoint. So D we have taken, we have got as 0 and 5. So this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Okay, in order to get C. Okay, so minus 2 plus 0 by 2, that is minus 2 plus 0, minus 2 by 2, that is minus 1. So in order to get the y coordinate of C, y is equal to, by midpoint formula, y1 plus y2 by 2. That is, y1 is 2 plus y2 is 5 divided by 2, that is 2 plus 5 is 7 by 2. So the coordinates of C of x comma y is, we have seen that, minus 1 and 7 by 2. Okay, and finally we should get the coordinates of the point E. See, from the figure, see, E is the midpoint of DB, right? See, why? Because DE equal to EB. Okay, DE equal to EB means E is the midpoint, because that AB is dividing into four equal parts by these points. Okay, so we can take E is the midpoint of DB. Okay, so D is the x1 y1 and B is x2 y2 and E is the midpoint. So let that E of x comma y is the needed one. Finally, we have to consider, now the last point is E. Okay, we should get the coordinates of E. So for that, From the figure, can you take E is the midpoint of DB? DB. Why? Because DE equal to EB. Okay, that means DE equal to EB implies E is the midpoint of DB provided D is x1, y1 and B is x2, y2. Okay, since E is the required point, now we can take the coordinates of E as x and y. Okay, so again we can apply the midpoint formula in order to get x, that is x1 plus x2 by 2. Okay, x1 plus x2 by 2. Here x1 and y1 coordinates of D. Okay, that is 0, 5. Okay, so 0 plus x2, 2 by 2, that is 2 by 2, that is 1. And in order to get the y coordinate of the point E, again midpoint formula, y1 plus y2 by 2. And what is y1? Y1 is the y coordinate of D, that is 5 plus 8, okay, y2 divided by 2, that is 13 by 2. That is, here you can write E, the coordinate as 31 and 13 by 2. Okay, here point D we have got, that is 0, 5 by taking D as the midpoint of AB. Okay, and E we have taken E is the midpoint of AD and we have seen that E is equal to -1 and 7 by 2. Okay, so this is all about this 9th question. Okay, now we are moving to the last question of this exercise. In the 10th question, okay, we have to find out the area of this rhombus. Okay, and its vertices A, B, C, D I have taken in order and the values, the coordinates of each vertices are given. Okay, that means we have to get its area. Area of the rhombus by formula, what is that, children? That is half the product of the diagonals. Okay, that means area of the rhombus by formula we have learned, that is half into product of diagonal. Diagonals here means AC and BD into BD. Okay, so how will you get AC from this figure? Okay, that means using the distance formula. Okay, that is root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 plus y2, y1 minus y2 whole square. Okay, the same way you can apply the same distance formula in order to get the second diagonal, that is BD. Okay, so by distance formula you will get that is AC, that is root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square, that is root of AC x1 3 minus minus 1 whole square plus y1 0 minus 4 whole square. So 3 minus of minus plus, so 3 plus 1 4 square is 16 and 0 minus 4 is also minus 4 square is 16. So you will get the root of 16 plus 16 32 and this is equal to, can you write this 32 as a 16 into 2, that is root of that is root 16 into root 2, that is 4 root 2 units. And the second diagonal BD using the distance formula, okay, that is 4 minus minus 2 whole square plus 5 minus minus 1 whole square. See children, x1 minus x2, 4 minus minus 2. So you will be getting this is equal to 4 minus of minus 2, 4 plus 2, that is 6, 6 square is 36 and here also 5 minus minus 2 is 6, 6 square is 36. Can you write this as 2 times 36, that is 72. Okay, so that is why, because 36 is a square number, right? So 36, from 36 6 can be taken outside, so 6 root 2, root of AB, root A into root B. So we have now the length of the two diagonals AC and BD. So just substitute in the formula, that is area of the rhombus A equal to half into first diagonal 4 root 2 and the second diagonal 6 root 2. Then how can we simplify? All the three are connected by into. We can multiply the numerator 4 into root 2 and here also one more root 2. Root x into root x is x, right? Root x into root x is x Okay, so root 2 into root 2, 2 alone. Okay, 2 into 6 divided by 2. 2 get cancelled. So 6 fours are 24 square units because it is area. So this is all about exercise 7.2. So we have completed all the exercise. So thank you children. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel. Thank you all.